You've seen the amazing before and afters on women who have lost half their size, losing hundreds of pounds and transforming their lives. But while a picture can tell 1,000 words, what you're really after is their secret. What you want to really know is, what did they eat? Isn't that right? What did they do? Today, before and after pictures like these are coming to life. We're revealing the inner workings of the eating habits and diets that took them from here to here. That's pretty big, that change. Now let me introduce you to Mary. At her heaviest, she weighed 352 pounds and used food for comfort. But you know what? I'll let you hear from her. These are her own words.
I dropped out of high school because I was so embarrassed of the way I looked. Doctors told me I would eventually end up in a wheelchair because my joints weren't able to carry my weight. I was tired of being the biggest girl in the room with a pretty face. So I decided to finally change my life for good.
And she did in a very impressive way. Come on out, Mary. That is unbelievable. Let me see you.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, do it. Turn it on. Please. How much weight did you lose?
I've lost 200.5 pounds. I'm proud of that 0.5.
0.5. I love it. You have to treasure that. 200 points, but you made it. Every barrier you got over.
I did.
So when you look at this picture of yourself, who do you see?
You know, I see someone sad, someone hiding behind that smile, thinking that was all, you know, I was going to be, being embarrassed. Biggest person in the room.
Yeah, a lot of people feel like that. So your doctors say the only way to really recover is to have surgery.
Yep.
And what did you say?
You know, I wanted to prove them wrong. I wanted to find that fire in me and know that I could do this on my own. I wanted to appreciate every single pound that I lost and earn it. And with hard work and willpower and dedication,
you made it happen.
I made it happen.
Glowing. Listen, I want everyone to see exactly what Mary eats in a day. The meals that have helped her maintain a 200.5 weight loss for the past 5 years.
Every morning, I start my day with a protein blast. Turkey bacon or turkey sausage with scrambled egg whites. And to keep me full for the rest of the morning, water. Lots of water. This keeps me satisfied till lunch, when I reach for my low-carb wrap with light mayonnaise or mustard, lean deli meat, lettuce, tomato, and onion. On the side, a small serving of baked chips or pretzels, and fruit or a light Greek yogurt for dessert. And water. Lots of water. I keep my snacks high in protein, low in carbs, turkey pepperoni, and a light string cheese. And for dinner, I go for a healthy twist on Chinese takeout. Usually spiral zucchini, a noodle stir fry with chicken, and a little sesame oil with veggies. And again, water, lots of water. For a little late night indulgence, I may treat myself to a scoop of light ice cream, because you can't deny yourself too much.
I mean, the best part about this, besides your smile and the 0.5 pounds, is that you actually don't seem to be denying yourself that much.
Absolutely not. You have to live. So every Wednesday night, I have to tell you, Dr. Oz, is our family pizza night. And so I'm not going to miss out on that.
Of course
so
not.
I make myself the most delicious flatbread pizza. And so we've got some here. So what you have here is our flatbread lavash crust pizza. A little light cheese, a little light red tomato sauce, lots of veggies, turkey pepperoni.
It's fantastic.
Isn't it delicious?
Yes. I mean, you made these things up. It's fantastic. Because you deal with the loneliness.
Exactly.
Now, before we go, I'm always interested in the emotional change, because that's always part of the battle. So how has it been different for you? Now that you're living in this body, what's your life experience like?
So I do have a 10-year-old son. He's my little hockey player. And I didn't want to be the mom that stood to the side watching him grow up. I wanted to be that role model, that active mom. We ride bikes together.
Look at you with him. Oh, that's fantastic.
We skate together. We have fun together. He's my pride and joy, and I love cherishing those moments with him.
Well, you're my pride and joy. I'm very proud of you. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything. And remember to check back often to see what's new.